Hi everyone, and welcome to day 24, Happy Hamstrings. You could also call this Healthy Hamstrings. So in today's Live Well with Marissa at Home challenge, I'm going to dive a little bit into your hamstrings. This is a sequence you can use before or after you've done cardio, maybe before you go to bed, or even when you wake up, just to allow the backs of your legs a nice stretch. So we're going to head and come down to the ground to start today. Have a seat for me. And then allow your legs to come out in front of you. And then just roll your feet in and out. Now in a yoga practice, sometimes we'd encourage sitting on a block or a bolster if you're really, really tight. So that's always something that you can do as well on the ground. Good. Widen your legs as wide as the mat for me. Toes up, heels down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Now your goal is the pinky toe sides of your feet, but you may be here instead. You may even be here. But I want you to think, how can I bring my belly button up, bring it forward, and then use that to fold further? Good. Now your knees are very slightly bent as you fold in here. I want you to stay for 3. I want you to feel this stretch, not only in your hamstrings, but right into the low to mid back for 2. And then on your next breath, rise all the way up through seated. Take your time. You're going to bend one knee. Now the foot is not going to meet the other thigh, okay? So there is space between my leg and my foot. You're going to reach up nice and high, turn towards the leg that's out. It might be the right or the left, doesn't matter. And then very gently fold over your leg. Again, not only do you feel the hamstring, but you feel your lower back. So a lot of times if the back is really tight, it's going to pull on the hamstrings and make them tighter. Option 1, stay here. Option 2, you're going to take your opposite hand to the pinky toe edge of your foot. And then you're going to pull down the leg a little bit more. Good. 3. Again, doesn't matter which leg you're on. We're going to do both. You can always hold here for 2. And then when you're ready, switch legs. Opposite leg out, opposite leg in. Good. Foot does not touch leg, so don't bring it all the way across. Keep it open on purpose. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slight turn towards the leg, and then fold. And again, right now you're folding just over the leg. You haven't done yet. It doesn't matter which side. Stay, or to go further, opposite hand to foot. Pull your torso down over the leg. You're here for 3. Get that nice, yummy stretch in for 2. And 1. Good. Come all the way up. Repeat your first stretch, both legs out. Inhale, legs are as wide as your mat, which is about 2 to 3 feet apart. Exhale, hinge, and fold. And you may notice that it feels better round 2 than round 1. And that should be something that you're aware of. Now, does it drastically change? No. But there's a slight motion forward that you didn't have before. Good. Exhale to fold. And then slowly rise all the way up for me. Sink your hips forward by lifting them up. And then grab your hamstrings as you come back. Plant your left foot on the earth. Extend your right leg to the sky, option 1. Option 2, hold the hamstring, pull it towards you. Option 3, hold the calf muscle, pull it towards you. Option to go further, hold your foot, pull it towards you. And again, all of this is based on flexibility. Okay, my left knee is bent and my knee is not falling out to the left, it's hugging in towards my midline, so keep your left big toe down. You can stay here, or if you feel like you want a deeper stretch, you're always welcome to lift up your head, pull the leg in for 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Plant the right foot. Make sure the big toe is down, so don't let the foot open up. Hug your left knee in. Exhale, press to straighten. Good. Pull the leg towards you. So again, you can hold hamstring. You can crawl further up the leg. It's up to you, and then just gently tug. So here my shoulder blades are at rest, and so are my shoulders. My hamstring's a little shaky. Or you can raise your head up towards your leg if you want to get a little bit more. 3, 2, put your head down, and then release on 1. Nice. Now activate your hamstrings. So push into your feet, and then when you're ready, lift up. Now lower down. Now press into your heels, lift your toes, come up, lower down. Good. So sometimes that little activation can also help us stretch. Rock up slowly. Good. Extend both legs out. One more seated stretch. Inhale, arms up, eyes up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Breathe out. Again, this would be the fullest variation. Maybe you're here and that's okay. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to ground our feet, one and then the other. And then if you can, without your hands, push your feet down as you push your hands down. And then walk your feet closer together. Good. Grab your right hamstring and then, your right calf muscle and then your left. Or send your hands between your legs and then grab your opposite shins. So that would look like this. So instead of holding here, I went through, crisscross, and held. Good. 3. Bend those knees if your hamstrings are tight. 2. And then exhale, release. Rise all the way up, push into those legs, squeeze and lift your butt, reach up to the sky. And rest your arms. Now turn your legs wide to the side. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale, lift your heart a little bit. And then exhale, fold in. Now you're always welcome to move a little bit faster than me too. So remember, if you're doing this on your own and you like this sequence, you can. Little bit of side to side. Good. And then on your exhale, you're going to turn your left foot out all the way. So if 12 o'clock were the direction my toes started in, you're going to turn your left foot out to 9 o'clock. From there, you're going to fold over your left shin. You got a really big stretch of this hamstring here as you fold. Breathe. 3, 2, come through center, pivot. Pivot your right foot so it would turn to 3 o'clock. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Now you may be a lot higher off the ground than me by using blocks or props or bending your knee, and that's okay. Exhale, walk through center so you're in a wide-legged stance, and then exhale, fold forward. To get more, you can grab ankles or even take your peace fingers to your big toes. Soften the elbows, see how they're soft here, and then exhale, pull down. 3, 2, and fingertips down for 1. Good. Lift and lengthen out of your spine. Exhale, heel toe your feet together slowly. Squeeze the legs together, bend your knees, roll all the way up. Good. Hug one knee to your chest, give it a big squeeze. And then the other. Give it a big squeeze so you're using that hamstring to stabilize you as you hug in. And then we're going to reach up one more time together. Fold forward one more time. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Exhale, try to fold in just a bit more. See if it feels a little better. Good. And then release. Nice job, everyone. Thank you for checking in with your hamstrings today. Again, this is that video right before you hit your cardio, maybe your leg day, right after you've done it. So earlier today, I did a little bit of cardio and a little bit of strength training so I can feel where my hamstrings definitely tightened up during that workout. or they need a little bit of love. So feel free to do this video more than once as you kind of learn the sequence. You can do it more yourself. You can always start standing and then move down to the ground, or keep it the way that's designed. Thanks guys, and I'll see you for more tomorrow. Bye.